Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Grapevine Elementary School in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. I've been here a number of times in the past. I'm outside the NPR where I had a presentation for all grades K through 5. Focused on compassion today, the underlying theme being one life at a time. And this mural that I truly love, they always have so many cool things on this campus, but it says that kindness makes a world of difference. And this kindness that we really talked about, is that empathy for others. It's lending a helping hand. It's being that light to someone else and kind of putting yourself in their shoes, right? That if they're going through something tough, maybe you're going to stand by and support them or offer some of your own insight from what you've been through, some of the trials, that you've had to deal with. And some of the students, they shared that with me today during the program and post-program, talking about losing a pet, being bullied for different reasons, problems at home, a family member that passed away. And, even at a young age, these things can weigh heavy. And so it's important that we work past some of that, so through a guided meditation that we did, brainstorming, things that can leave heart marks, but how we can overcome some of that pain as well. I think that was really important, for them to center on and to say, look, no matter what we're going to go through, have gone through, are going through, we can always still choose love, right? We can always still choose kindness. And when we start to see the level of impact, that our actions have, I think that's also paramount, because when you see this one tiny action that maybe takes 2 seconds, super small effort, but can have, just an immense impact, that it meant that much to just one person, or even like, you started like a chain reaction of the kindness that now it's going to this person, this person, this person, this person. So I think for them to already believe that and visually see it, through the picture slides, through the heartfelt stories that I shared, the physical props, even the, motivational videos, that really hone in on acts of kindness shown to other youth that are around their age. And when they start to, see someone from the East Coast or, up north by Michigan where I live, or on the West Coast, they start to see that, there's students not only here at this school, but everywhere that really need that compassion, right? Really need that kindness. And we can choose to show them that, right? By, of course, choosing love, but also understanding that we're all miracles, like the shirt I wear for this assembly. The M on all of our hands, a lot of them trace theirs afterwards. And that M, or W, stands for miracle. With the lines on our hands, we're worthy, right? And so to know we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it, that's also a very vital life lesson to encounter. And I think, for, what I was trying to accomplish today, is to say that, yes, those things are going to be there, the worries, concerns, the fears, the stresses. Sometimes we have to go right through it and deal with it head on, right? Experience the emotions fully before we can finally move on. But at a certain point, it's okay to let go, right? It's okay to say, we're human, and we are gonna feel some of those feelings, but ultimately, now it's up to us to go and be that change, lead that change, and help ourselves grow, help others grow as well. So again, thanks for touching my heart. Another beautiful day here at Grapevine, and hopefully I'll get to see you again now in a couple of months to cap off 2024-2025. Until then, though, have a great few months coming up here. Keep showing that kindness. And as always, if you'd like to, you can hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.